Thanks for coming all the way over from Boston to tell us a little bit about this amazing little device that we have. We get products sent to us all the time, and very rarely we find real gems, and we think this is one. So I'd love to hear all about it, really. Tell us a little bit how you got started in beauty devices.
Well, I started with the laser diodes, which is a semiconductor crystal that emits laser light instead of electronic signaling like you'd find in a microprocessor. And my company designs and makes those laser diodes for a whole range of professional medical products, which we were very successful in. And then we started supporting selling those diodes into the home devices, but there really wasn't a good home device that I felt met the market needs for easy to use and low side effects, so I decided to make my own device.
What are the key differences there?
The main difference is this device has no pain and no erythema or redness,
Yep.
but gets all the results. So it uses a new, what I call nonlinear way of driving the laser, which drives heat into the dermis, but just below the pain threshold, but above the threshold, what signals the skin to rejuvenate itself.
And I think that's one of the things that first alerted me to this product, the fact that there was no pain and downtime. Good. And how long has it taken you to develop this?
Wow. So starting at the chip level, it's been over 10 years.
Really?
For the device itself, we've been working on it for 6 years. And we fully FDA cleared it. It's thoroughly tested and it's clinically proven to reduce and eliminate wrinkles.
Tell us a little bit about the protocol. What would somebody do once it's out of the box?
Sure. So we have just two simple buttons. The first button allows you to set the comfort level. There are sensors in the tip, so you get a reject tone so that there's no laser light coming out unless it's engaged on the skin. When it's on the skin, you hear two beeps. The first beep means the laser is treating. The second beep means that spot's done, you move it to the next. So I've done just about a dozen spots, and you can see I'm just going right underneath the eye in the areas of interest. And you feel just a little bit of heat, and you can see no redness.
We talk about safety a lot on current body. Efficacy, of course, is important, but fundamentally, the safety of the consumer. This comes with all FDA regulations, part of the reasons it's taken you so many years to develop. Tell us a little bit about the safety of these types of things.
Certainly, yes. So the wavelength is 1450 nanometers, which is generally considered eye safe because it's absorbed in water.
Yeah. And
your eye is over 90% water. So it'll never get to your retina, which is the most vulnerable part of your eye. But even beyond that, we've got sensors built in,
yeah,
so that it can't even get any stray light without the laser being shut down. And then we did extensive safety testing, both electrical safety, battery testing safety, as well as a laser light safety.
How long would you say they should persevere with it in terms of seeing the types of results that we'd expect?
Good question. So your skin and many of your natural processes where your skin renews itself, or your body in general, it takes a few months actually. So if you go for professional treatments,
yeah,
they'll tell you straight up that it's going to take a few months to see results. And the home device is no different. So our regimen, we recommend a minute a day for each eye.
Yeah.
And you'll start seeing results between 4, but preferably 8 weeks, you start seeing good results. But really at 12 weeks or 3 months, you see really good results. And a lot of that is just giving the body time to rejuvenate.
If you use this fairly regularly, can we expect to see long-term results as well as short-term?
Actually, you can, and we've proven that to some extent. So the FDA in the USA is quite stringent, where you have to prove any claim that you have. And to claim wrinkle reduction, which is a structural change to the skin that's permanent, they required us to not only have participants use it for 90 days and get results, but then they had to stop using it, and we still tracked them for 3 to 4 months after. And we found that over 80% of the respondents had equal to or better results at 6 months.
It's been an absolute pleasure to have you over in Manchester. We wish you every success. We very much look forward to partnering with you and to showing this to our dedicated customers. David,